there everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Gonna do another video. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm gonna show you my painting for my last, oh, that worked good. My last video. This is it. It was tree ring that we re-poured during the video. Then after the video, I still didn't like it, so I did a flip cup. And it turned out beautiful. So this is it. I love it. So let's on with the next. Today I have a 11 by 14 oval. And I've been debating what to do. And I haven't done a ninja swipe for a while. And I think this would look really good with a ninja swipe. So I hope that I'm right. I'm going to use Artist Loft unbleached titanium as the background because I really just don't want a plain white or black. So let's get some of this down. And see what damage we can do. With me, you never know. That's what my husband says anyway. Get a good little coat on it. This is a cute little canvas. I think everybody is kind of branching out and using different colors as their backgrounds. Used to just be plain old black and white. This is kind of thin, so I hope that it'll pan out. Try and get the edges more covered. I can always fix it afterwards. After the fact, but I need enough on here to cover. Enough to swipe it with, I guess you will say. I'm not a very good edger. A lot of people paint theirs beforehand, paint their edges. Maybe I'll start doing that. All right, there we go. Paint them afterwards. All right, we have some chili powder. And caramel. We have mermaid sirene. And oxide. All over the place. Yellow oxide. And new kind of blue. I think it's phthalocyanine blue. And just for the heck of it, a brilliant yellow green. Oops, we don't want that in there. Go. I need to fish that out of there. And when you know that I forgot all my thingies piece to do the ninja swipe with. Oh, goodness. Okay, I'm going to torch this little puddle on the rest of it here. Kind of bubbles. And a nice dog hair. If you can believe it. Okay, so watch out, paint, you're going flying. Here we go. Hope that fills in. This is a catalyst tool. Make smaller, or you can use it like this and spread, but we don't need that. I'm really liking this. This is really pretty. I'm gonna have to fill in the canvas though with my titanium, which is okay. Fill it in the little places that it needs. Take the other edge and kind of, there we go, like that. Like that. Oh, I like that right there. That's really pretty. Bring that all the way up. Don't see much of my yellow green, so I think I'll do this. Get some yellow green right there. I can bring it in. And you can always use your finger to tap it out with, and that didn't work. My paint's not very thick. Oh, that didn't work at all. There we go, that's better. I'm gonna have to go around the edges after we're all done to get the edges all done. I think that looks really nice. Well, what do you think? I like it. I'll give you a close-up. That was short and sweet, but it's really pretty. All right. I hope everybody is being safe, staying at home, doing what you're supposed to be doing in all this chaos. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if you so desire. Getting closer to the 100 mark every day. We're going to have a giveaway at the 100 mark, so that's something to look forward to. Please stay safe, and as always, please have a great day. Thanks for watching.